just been lonely.
Come over here, buddy. Come over here, buddy. Come over here. Hey.
So the last time I've seen him was the last time we cooked.
Hello, Tiny. Good morning. Good morning. Tiny. Position 1. Position 1. Tiny, zoom in. Chris! Look at me. Already yelling at Tiny. Let's clean our kitchen top, huh? Matt Mitchell, what's wrong with this shirt?
Stop looking at my boobs!
I'm going for unique items of clothing now. All right, who's drinking a marg at 10 p.m.? Me? Okay, what are we doing? The mic is kind of loud. How about now? That shirt is loud? Your mom's loud last night. Oh! Great stream so far, everybody. Really great. Okay, everybody, it's pouring rain out here, but today we're going to be cooking O'Neal's Peach Cobbler. She passed away in 2005, but her recipe lives on. So let's start cooking. Shut up. Raptor Man, thank you. Are we having a thing right now? We're doing a...
Hello? What's going on?
Can you bake while dancing? Can you put your finger in your ass and scream at the same time, please? Night Ear, are you ready for karaoke? I think you're ready. No one wants a peach cobbler today, or what? Everybody is talking at me. Oh, there's no words for this. Oh. Josh Belmar takes himself very seriously artistically, and I don't.
It's in Donnie Darko, yeah.
Let's get back to making a peach cobbler. Let's get started. Tiny, track me, follow me, track me.
You can bake it, grill it, crumble it, top it, scoop it.
Thank you.
Cobbler, rhubarb
Thank
cobbler,
you.
pine.
Okay, let's see, where are we starting here? This is O'Neal's Peach Cobbler. She died July 1st, 2005.
Anyway, like I was saying, cobbler is the delight of the kitchen. You can bake it, grill it, crumble it, top it, scoop it. But have you ever had a the cobbler, am I right?
Are you saying that you like to dick cobblers, Chris Mack? Sleevington? Okay, 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. What is the number for doggy style? I call that the oven position. Zoom in closer.
Pumpkins!
Okay, what am I doing here? What the is the recipe? Something smells weird over here.
Let's smell.
Here's some peaches. Let me get a bowl. I'm gonna drain the peaches. He said that. Something smells weird in here, and I don't know what it is.
Anchovies.
I'm not farting. I'll double check to make sure it's not a dead mouse later. Who f***ing farted? All right, who's having a margarita? Are we making a margarita, or what the f*** are we doing? Okay, I'm cutting these peaches up into smaller peach pieces. Position 1. You see, we like to do a lot of
Sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on a chili dog.
I do spooky stuff. I basically give ghost hunters a really hard time. Welcome to a place where my stream chatters, they bully me. Okay, what am I doing? What am I
Sucking on
doing?
a chili dog. Sucking on a chili...
Let's put the oven on. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As it was, as it shall be. Fruit into pan. There it is. Next comes...
Sucking on a chili dog.
Why do I have so many pots and pans? Okay, 1 cup of flour. You know what? Gobble on these nuts, Fracula. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Boom and a boom. 2/3 cup of sugar. 1/2 a cup of butter. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/3 cup of butter. I'm gonna use margarine because I'm a basic bitch. This is how I do it, everybody. I don't know, like this, something like that. Something like that. That's about 1/2 a cup. Using an American recipe in Europe. What's SMDH mean? So much dicks here? Does no one want free shit here? All right, peach cobbler. We're adding a How much milk are we adding? Milk. Yeah. 3/4 cup of this. There we go. Milk near. Zoom in closer. Oh, yeah.
Giggity.
Oh, yeah.
Giggity.
Oh, yeah.
Giggity.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Fragula! Oh, yeah. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Did I overbeat this? Maybe. Maybe I was showing off and I overbeat it. I might have overbeat it. Oh, yeah. I got excited. You know what? We should put some, like... We should put some, like... Let's jazz up this old recipe, right? There we go. A little bit of cinnamon on the top. Okay. Pie's going in. It's going in. I'm gonna guess 35 minutes. Time to clean up. Okay. Dix in chat if you want Max to have a margarita. Elfin Fairy Queen gifted a sub to Dix on chat. Who's getting Max drugged tonight? We're making margs. Margarita time.
Yo.
That's a PP point, Scintilla! Everybody get your dicks out. Shrimps out for Max. Oh my God. Oh no. This it can only last 20 minutes, this train. Perfect cobbler cooking music. Thank you everybody for the hype train. Position 1. How's that cobbler coming? There's only one person coming here and it's you, come Farmer Carly. There's 15 minutes left. Oh, music. Ooh, it's very golden brown. I'm gonna turn it down a bit. This is how I make a really good margarita, everybody, okay? Are you paying attention, everyone? Everyone, are you paying attention? Everyone, this is the drained peaches that I will be making the margarita with the juice. And she goes, hot water. This much hot water. Big spoonful of honey. It's going in. Stir that around. We take 1 lime. This is a very secret and good recipe. This much lemon juice. Lemon juice. 1 lime. This is how I crush Chris Mac's balls. Just like this. Crushing them. 2 shots of tequila. We're gonna do 1 shot peach juice. I don't know why we're doing it, but we're doing it. Let's add just a splash of orange juice. Splash of orange. Marg number 1, let's taste it. I can't even taste the peach. All right. 1. Ah! Oh! Why would you do that? Oh my God, I saw a monster. Okay. 1 more Marg. 1 more Marg at fucking midnight. This is why I can never go on an actual ghost hunt. Not because I'm afraid of ghosts, but because the people will scare the shit out of me on purpose. This is how I crush Chris Mac's balls. Ah! Watch closely, Chris. Watch.
Is a streamer bullying you again, chat? Did you show up and say some shit and then you found out?
Alright, Chris Mac, let's check how your balls are gonna do in the future, alright?
Ah! Ah! Yeah! Chris Mac. We're gonna try to get some Marg. Look at this little gobbler. Midnight cobbler. Midnight cock gobbling. We're about to find out how a dead lady's pie tastes. All right, let's cut into this dead lady's pie, shall we? Thank you for releasing the green boys. You about to ready? You ready to gobble this shit down? Ready to gobble on these?
Bottle cap.
Ooh, it's very cakey rather than cobbly. Not cobbly enough? It's like a peach cake. I followed the recipe on the gravestone. Fuck off. Oh, I always forget to turn the oven off. Call me Sylvia Plath. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Peach Cobbler. Here we go. It's very buttery. This is really good. Soft topping, very buttery. So I will say, as a Max Sybil date, this is going well, but then again, I will not let Max fall in love with a woman who is so mean, so don't get handsy, Sybil. I'm not touching anybody except my own gobbler.
I'm just like, what are you saying?
Okay, so I'd give this cobbler... Okay.
Sometimes he thrills me through and through.
Sometimes he's sweet, sometimes he's true. Sometimes I wish he were in Timbuktu.
Tiny over here! Tiny over here! Position 1, Tiny! Position 1! Tiny has a hard time. I give this recipe a 9 out of 10. This is a really good recipe. It's really good. Everybody make it. After this, I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna drink my marg. Everybody, this is the graveyard. Everybody, round of applause for watching me put cobbler in my gobbler.